Hey everyone, welcome back to Juggling Gym. Today I'm going to show you how to juggle 4 balls in a shower pattern. This is a pretty advanced juggling trick. You should already know how to juggle a 3-ball shower and a 4-ball fountain, which I already have tutorials for. The 4-ball shower is really fast, so the goal of this first exercise is to develop your hand speed. Try juggling a 3-ball shower as low and fast as you can.
Gradually make the pattern lower and lower.
The other thing that makes the 4-ball shower really difficult is that you have to be really accurate with your throws. So the next couple of exercises are going to work on developing your throw accuracy. In the next exercise, you're going to get used to throwing the ball at the height for the 4-ball shower. So as much as possible, you don't want to have to reach for the ball like that. That's okay, but it's really difficult when you're doing the 4-ball shower to correct if it's all the way over here. Next, you're going to do a 3-ball shower, but at a 4-ball height. Try to keep each throw identical. It should go to the same height and hit about the same point in space as the ball before it. With 4 balls, the first thing to talk about is how to start the pattern. There are 2 different ways that you can start this trick. You can start with 2 balls in each hand, or you can start with 3 balls in the hand that's doing the high throws and 1 in the other. I think either way is fine, so I'm going to talk about both and then you can just try and see which one is best for you.
In my right hand, I have the green and red ball, and in my left hand, I have the white and orange ball. I throw the green ball first. Then I throw the red and white ball at about the same time. Then I throw the white and the orange ball at about the same time, and so on.
Personally, I like to start with 3 balls in my right hand and 1 ball in my left. So I'm going to throw the red ball first, then the green ball, then the white ball.
I throw the white ball and the orange ball, which is in my left hand, at the same time.
First, just go for a flash. So 4 throws and 4 catches. Then you can go for 6 throws and 6 catches. This means that each hand just made 1 extra throw. It's super quick.
Next, go for 8 throws and 8 catches.
That might have been more than 8 throws, but the point is that you don't want to run the pattern as long as you can in the beginning. In the beginning, you just want to focus on doing a set number of throws and stopping while things are still under control.
This is on my left side, which is really challenging, but I still encourage you to learn it on both sides.
And then after you get the hang of it a little bit, you can start working on doing longer and longer runs.
This is a really fast trick, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it right away. It might be harder than 5 balls, so I'm curious as to what y'all think about that in the comments.
Collisions are going to happen a lot if you don't throw each ball to the same height. Also, I'm really happy to announce that we now have Juggling Gym merch, so stay tuned for another video in the future that has details about how you can get that. Thanks so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what other tutorials you want to see. Keep juggling and have fun.